Hey, Siso!
Hey, bro!
What are we doing today?
Can we go on a road trip?
Do you think we got everything?
Yeah, I think
Okay. We got the car!
Give me that back.
We have video evidence!
Oh, right. There we go.
You're on the wrong side, aren't you?
Hello, Siso!
Hi, bro. You're on the wrong side.
Am I? Well, I'm on the
You're
wrong
always
side.
on this side,
Oh,
aren't
are
you?
you sure? No, what was this side? Because I was holding it with my right hand.
Let me
Oh, sorry.
check.
All right.
Oh, that's another blooper.
Let me check that.
Hey, Siso!
Hi, bro.
Let's go.
On a road trip.
Another one? Another one? How long?
Let's go on another one.
Well, how long's it been?
I don't know. How long has it been?
About 8 weeks or something.
Yeah.
About that.
About time.
Well, about time we went on another one. Let's
Yeah,
go.
Let's hit the road.
There you go. That's reception over there. While we're trying to look. Oh, that's sunset. Yeah. Yeah, it's great. Oh, that's because I ain't got my seatbelt on. Oh.
Not for bike.
Yeah. Come on, plug in. There you go, plugged in.
I did get
Right,
confused.
so this one is the grass area. So there we go, grassy area. Oh, that's quite nice. Unfinished toilet block, you said. Yeah, there's the standpipe.
And
Yeah.
what, why just carry on through here?
Yeah, carry on through here.
Where it says no. Oh,
Yetis.
open fires.
Yeah. I think I'm going to enjoy being in the woods more today.
Yeah.
Especially if there's wildlife about. He said there's left turns. Yeah, you can't go right there. But, I know it's only quite a little.
The weasel won't be a bit.
Yeah, so we could go back there, we could carry on here. Right, what about that way? I think this
Yeah,
is.
you're right by